The other day I was relaxing on my couch when I noticed a lot of noise outside. When I went to see what was making the sound, I found this little frog guy. But he wasn't alone. I immediately noticed there were a lot more. All this fuss told me they were having some froggo time. So the next day I got ready to steal their babies. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Let me try again. So the next day I got ready to collect some frog spawn. Yeah, that's better. Now I only need my head and I could go on my way. And of course, I have to travel in the most Dutch way possible. I'm on my way to a small local forest, but we might have a problem. I was planning to find baby frogs right there, but right over here is a sign telling me this road is closed off. So as the perfectly law-abiding citizen that I am, I definitely did not cross these fences. Look, I even found another law-abiding citizen that definitely did not cross the fence. Eventually, I managed to get to the forest. So I locked my bike and started the search.
Bye bike.
This forest is full of small little creeks and ponds, which should make it an ideal spot for finding tadpoles. Maybe this little creek has tadpoles. Alright, no biggie. Maybe this one has tadpoles. Okay. Third time's charm? Hey, what do we have here? Alright, so there are a ton of these guys over here, but these aren't tadpoles. All of these are actually wrigglers. They go through somewhat of a similar process as frogs, but in the end, they won't become cute little froggos. No. These will become the annoying little pricks called mosquitoes.
Nope. It's a no for me.
So the search continues. While searching this area, I could notice out of the corner of my eye frogs darting away whenever I got close to the water. Unfortunately, they were a little bit too fast to get the camera ready, but they are definitely there. This gives me hope that at least one of these waters should hold some tadpoles. And I might just be right. One of these creeks holds tadpoles, but which one? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Leave your best guess in the comments below. And the answer is... none of them! I'm sorry.
So we're not having any luck yet, but I know there's a spot up ahead that in summer has tons and tons of frogs. So I'm hoping that in spring it will have tons and tons of tadpoles. But we'll see.
And so the epic search for the mystical place up ahead began. I walked for hours, navigating the wind, searching far and wide, communicating with the locals. Mr. Goose, where are the froggos? Until eventually I managed to find Frog Heaven. Wait a minute, it's all fenced off. Also, it's guarded by an angry goose that's protecting her nest. I can't go in there. The goose will kill me. I'm sorry guys, but this place is off limits.
Better luck next time, I guess.
And to be honest, I'm not really sure if there are actually tadpoles right now. I've been searching for hours on end and couldn't find anything. It just might be too early in the season. But as I was heading back to my bike, I found this little pond. I decided to try it one last time. I stepped into the water, walked around, and right as I was about to head out, I noticed something in the corner of my eyes. I leaned in, and there it was. I can't believe this. I finally found them.
Alright, they're right over there. So first get some water.
This way I'm sure all the water parameters will be perfect for our tiny little froggos. I'm also filling up this plastic fish bag with water, and this is just for safety. I'm going to carry this entire bucket on my bike, and transporting the frog spawn in this bag will keep them safe in case I fall or drop the bucket. Now then, let's get ourselves some frog spawn. As you can see, there's quite a big clutch here, and I'm just trying to get a little bit. So I'm very carefully trying to split this up, being mindful not to damage any of the eggs. And I think this is the perfect time to mention that you shouldn't be greedy when doing this. Overcrowded aquariums are prone to an array of problems. I won't go over all the specifics in this video, but in case you want to learn more, I suggest you research the nitrogen cycle or subscribe and watch next week's video.
Right, that should be fine. Oh, look at that. We got some right there. I hope you can see, and otherwise, I'm sorry. That should be more than enough. Alright, let's get them home.
Back home, I grabbed another bucket and clamped a towel over top. I poured all the water I took from the pond into the new bucket. And just like that, you can see all the teeny tiny animals that were living in the pond alongside the baby froggos. We even took one of those mosquito larvae home. Alright, we don't want these animals, so I'm sorry guys, but we have to get rid of you. And just like that, we have an entire bucket of pristine pond water without any hitchhikers. This will be perfect for a group of baby frogs. Now it's time to set up a beautiful, naturalistic aquarium for these guys. Unfortunately, I'm running out of time and I won't be able to show you all of that in this video. So if you want to see that, I'd say like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.